Alright guys, welcome to yeah, I can't afford the real game, so I'm just playing this. Hopefully this isn't that bad. And well, if it is, okay, I thought I heard something. I have to collect toy parts. Is this a toy part? It is. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna be cutting the audio there for a bit because oh no. Oh no. No. Alright, so I did not just scream like a little girl. We're gonna go in again. Alright. Oh, 3 out of 6, so it saves progress. That's good. That's good. That's good. He's right down there. He is right down there. Oh no. That is creepy. Oh no! Fucking run. 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 Run, you asshat. Run, you fucking asshat. What is this? No one leaves without a toy. Oh no. I heard him. I heard him. I heard him. I heard him. Go the opposite way. Go the opposite way. Pick up the hands and run. And run. Okay, I got a couple toys. I just need 2 more toys. Why is this actually scary? This should not be this scary. It's via Roblox. Why is it scary? Oh god, okay. I'm in the vents apparently. Didn't know the turn the Finance of Freddy's. I just need 2 more toys. Just give them to me. Come on, game. There we go. There we go. There's one up here. There's one up here. There's one up here. It's a pair of boots. Got a pair of boots. I just need 1 more. I can slide in the game. I love that. I love being able to slide. Do the cha-cha slide. I don't think I actually went. Well, I guess I did. Oh no, 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 no. Slide, go faster! Go faster!
Hello there!
Oh, go faster! Go faster! Oh shit! Oh shit! Go in the vent. Oh, my dick's on fire. My dick's on fire. Holy shit. Holy shit. Don't come out of that vent. Don't come out of that vent. He came out of the fucking vent. Run, you bitch! Run, you pile of ass wipes! Run! Run! Need 1 more toy. I need 1 more fucking toy. Just give me a toy, damn it. Is it back here? I just need 1 toy. Just 1 toy. Okay, I hear him. I hear him. He's over to my right. Oh no, games when you get chased are immediately 10 times scarier than games where something's coming after you and you can stop it. This is like, you can't stop this. It's just inevitable. Like Thanos. And his purple, big-headed ass. Did I already go down there? I don't know where I've been already. This place is like a maze. It's like a maze with assless chaps. I don't like this. Just need one toy. Come on. Where's the toys at? Where's this last toy at? Oh, I hear him. I hear him. He's a fast motherfucker. He is moving fast! Why was he moving fast? Did he see me? There's no way he could have saw me. He couldn't have seen me. Is he coming? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Okay, no, he's coming. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Come on. Come on. Run! Run, you douche bitch! I was just there at his ankles for a second. Just giving him a little lick. Was just... Can I buy this? I can. For 2,500. That's a fucking
I'll take your entire stock!
I need one more. Dude, yeah, this place is dark, bro. My flashlight doesn't work. Oh, I clicked. Okay, never mind. Well, okay, I was already down there, and I need a toy. I hate this game. You know what? Just come here. Give me a hug. Hug you, wuggy my ass. Did I just spawn right next to him? I have a feeling I just spawned right next to him. Now I know why you don't need to find all 6 in a row, because this is fucking impossible. Impossible. This place is so creepy. Come on, I just need one more toy. I'm just walking in circles. This is the fucking boots again. Where's the pants? I need boots and pants. I feel like there's one in the vents, okay? Because there's so much vents, and I don't think I've been through all of them. It's the only place I don't think I've found a toy. Oh, excuse me. Okay, this right here. I feel like this is supposed to be a toy, but it's bugging out. Because why else would there just be a floating piece of shit? Or it's a rabbit poop. It's rabbit poop. Let's go with that. It's rabbit poop. Nobody's coming down there. I heard him come down there. He is coming. So, collect 6 toys. 5 out of 6. I still have 5 out of 6. Okay, well at least that's good. So now that it's changed, I didn't really have a lead on where it was in the first place. So, it didn't really fucking matter if you ask me. Hopefully I can find it. And well, if I can't, well then I'm calling some bullshit. Studio slide. Okay, I want to go check up by the big hallway. Okay, just making sure he's not down one of these. What the hell is that? Is that a bicycle seat? Okay, no, I think it's behind me. I think it's behind me. Okay. Come on. There it is! There it is! Another pair of boots! Okay, all parts collected. Get to the fucking exit. Oh god. Oh god. I hear him. Please, Huggy. Please, Huggy. Yeah, they're so torn. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me. Yes. Fuck yeah. Suck it. Suck it, Mr. Wuggy Huggy. Yeah. And that was it. There's like no like special ending. There's no like congrats. You did it. This game fucking sucks. Alright. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys really like this, I'll be making more VR videos. Probably just on something else though, because this is scary as all hell. And well, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
I've been wishing for some better days. Could you listen? No, why can you stay?
Oh shit, hold on, where is it? No. Hold on, I can't leave. I can't leave. Where the hell am I recording it? What the fuck? On browser, store event, TV. I feel like it's in TV, but it's not in TV. Because if it's that's all, folks. Is it here? Yeah.